Now we'll start with the logo creation. The first thing required for any business is a logo, right? We'll start creating a logo. How to create a logo? We'll go to here, create a design, select and select a logo. We can just type a logo. It will give the two types of the logos are there. One is the animated logo and second one is the logo. We'll select just logo. The one more file will be opened here. This is the working area for creating anything. It may be a logo, letterhead, ads, anything. This will be a structure of the Canva where on left hand side you will be having a different elements, like you can use a template. You can, if you are uploaded any document, you can use it from here. If it is any photos, you like to use any of the photos, the default photos, you can use this one to use any of the photos you like. And elements are nothing but a different types of the structures. It may be a like the infographics, structures, lines, shapes, okay, charts, the grids, okay, these things also you can use it here, okay, by using a elements. Different elements are there, okay, you can use any of them for your any of the brochure creation. For anything you can use, okay, here 49 bright leaves are there, so leaves you can use see all and you can use any of them, okay, wherever. When you are selecting that one, if you are able to get it as a free, that is nothing but free of cost, nothing to pay. If it is a premium, that will be shown as a premium, okay. Then close here to go back. Again, you can use the different types of the text also. The different passion texts are there. You can use the preloaded videos, okay, for your any of the creations. Again, background color, if you don't want a plain background, if you like to have a different background, you can use this one, backgrounds, okay. Like this we have a different elements here, okay. Start from a template to background. Again, this is nothing but a where the preview of your work, whatever the work you would like to do, you can do it here. You can insert a new page by click here, okay, and you can duplicate the page, or you can delete, add a note to the particular page. Then once you have been done, you can download directly from here, or you can share with any of your friends or anyone, okay. First we will start with the creating a logo. Here we have a different logo templates. In a templates we have a different logos, okay. You can have a Facebook shop logo. These are the some of the templates they have been given. Click on this arrow so that different type of the logos you will be having here. Animated is nothing but you can see that fire has been animating, okay. Here also that entire infinity is animating, okay. You can create an animated logo also. If you are in a gaming, you can create gaming type of the logo, badge logo, okay. Art and design, fashion, if you are in a fashion business, if it is a brand, then computer, if it is an educational institute, if it is a sports activity, restaurant, cafe, DJ, like this, they have been categorized different business head, okay, and relevant to that particular head, they have created a template. So it will be very easy to use their template and you can create a logo. We'll go to the education. We'll check what are the types of the logos are available. In educational logo, I will go to see all here and we'll select one particular logo which you think that it's best suit for us. Okay, I will select this particular logo. It may be a suit well for my business, so I will select that one. Automatically it will be applied here on right hand side, okay. Again, you would like to change, this is not W, I would like to change it to a B. Like this we can change it to the B. Then I would like to change this one, okay, not west, I would like to make it as a beta, not shows. We have to select, delete and say academy, okay. If it is overflow, then we have to select here this one, we can edge and we can increase the length. If you like to change the font size, selected that one, okay, and go to here font. Here font is there, font size. You can change the font size here by selecting that 32 or 28. This font size 28. Again this one 28. Like this you can change the font size. Entire thing you can select and you can change the font size as per your requirement. Okay, as per your requirement you can change the font size. Again, if you like to change the color of the text, selected here text color is there, you can change the color of the text also. Okay, then again the font, you like to change the font, selected here, you can change the any of the font. Okay, like this we can change here. And you like to change this logo color, selected that one here, and here color is that, you can select that color option and you can change it to a any other color. Here crop is nothing but to change the size of that particular, you can reduce or increase the size of the particular image by using a crop option. Flip is nothing but to rotate. For example, if you select rotate horizontally, rotate vertically, to rotate it into a 90-degree you can use a flip. Similarly, you would like to change the, click outside, you like to change that this particular U shape. Okay, selected, change the color, which color you would like to change it to that particular color here. Okay, like this we can modify entire thing. If you like to add anything like here, you can go to text and you can add the subheading or heading. Okay, which font size you need, you can add that one, or any of the fancy font you like, you can select this one. Okay, this is about how we have been created one particular simple logo we have been created. For example, you would like to create one more logo. For example, you would like to create 3 to 4 logos. Out of that, you would like to select one logo by taking a full, like asking with your other teammates, you would like to do that one. We'll go to again add page here. We'll go to template. We'll select other. For example, this one we'll select. Again, we can edit, double click on that, like this. Okay, double click, like this we can create. For example, this entire thing is group, so you would like to ungroup them, you can select here ungroup. Okay, by selecting a ungroup you can change it. If you like to group it again, select and say group. How to select? We have to use a shift key to select multiple selection. We have to use a shift key, press shift and select all and say group. Okay, like this we can group. In this particular case, its watermark is there because this is a paid image. This image is not for a free. For that reason, it has been asking for a remove watermark. Okay, otherwise it will have a Canva. For example, if you go to download, it will show that how much you need to pay to get this image for yourself. $1 you have to pay. Okay, that's why we said in free version some of the tools are not available. For example, you would like to do it your own logo, no need to use a template. Then what you can do, you can add a page here. Okay, in this particular page you can use the elements to give some shapes. You can select any shape you would like to have in your logo. If shapes are not available, directly you can search it in a Google and you can download them and you can upload here. Okay, you can directly upload from the uploaded media is there, you can upload it. Okay, or we can use any of the elements available here, and you can search the search elements also. For example, we'll use this particular leaf. Okay, here it has been used. We'll resize corner, selected. Okay, if you like to change the color, the blue color you like to change it to other color, and this particular blue I would like to change it to like this. We can change the color. Click outside. For example, you would like to add a text, go to text here and say heading. We'll add, directly type. Okay, if you like to have a next line, it's the next line, enter. And to arrange them, we have been selected. Okay, here it is there, alignment, left alignment. Again you click justify, right alignment, center alignment, left alignment. If you like to give the bulletins, you can use this one to increase the spacing between a line. Okay, use this one. Between a letter, if you like to give a space, use this one. Okay, again you like to move this one, selected, click and drag to move it wherever you require. Like this we can create a your own logo also. Okay, if you like to change the background color, then selected, here color option is there, background color. You can select any of the background color as your requirement. As per your requirement, you can select any background color. Okay, this is how we can create a one particular logo creation we have been learned. Okay, logo creation. If you like to change the name, here you can change the name. On a top here you can see. Okay, logo like this. For your reference, you will come to know that how many we have been created. 3 logos we have been created. One is in a paid version, 2 of them we have used templates here. If you like to add any animated logo, add page. Okay, here go to template, close this one, go to animated page, animated logo, any of thing you think that it will suitable for you, select that one. Then we have to edit here, like okay, then okay, like this we can create a animated logo. For example, you would like to change the time of the animation. Here time is there, you can increase or decrease the time. Okay, the animation time. Okay, again if you like to change the animation type, you can select here and you can change it to any of the animation type, how this should be introduced. Okay, like this. Background color, if you like to change, you can go here and change the background color. Okay, this is the way we can create a animated logos. The different types of the logo creation we have been learned. Okay, here it is also animated. You can see here animation is given, in the sense the introduction of the logo, how it is given. Okay, for example, if you want to change the time, you can change the time, because you can download this logo in a different format. For example, here if you go to download, okay, either you can download it in a mp4. Mp4 is nothing but all are in a video format. Okay, if you don't want in a video format, you need it in a png format, then you can select png or jpg for image format, pdf for a printing. Okay, and gif format for a animated video without sound. Okay, like this we can select. But here we need to pay for one particular page, that is nothing but second one, because this is a paid logo. Okay, if you don't want that one, what we have to do, we should not select that particular logo here. We can select first page, second page and third page. We say done. Now it will not ask to pay, because we accept, we have been ignored this particular logo download. Okay, you can download to any format like png and you can start downloading here. Okay, if you say download, it will start preparing your design to download, and it will start download. It will start download in a zip format. You can open that one later. Okay, like this we can create any of the logo and we can store it in your Canva. You can go to home to check where it is there. Okay, here you can check the recent design has been shown here. All your design, if you go to there also, it will be shown here. It is generating, in the sense previews are generating, it's already created. Like this, we can create a logo for your business.